Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I would like to say about my madrasa. My madrasa name is Jifra International Islamic Institute. My madrasa is a small but quality of education is very high. My madrasa is situated in Noakhali. I study in class 5. I love my madrasa most. Our teachers are very sincere to us. They are like fathers. My madrasa education system is combination with school and madrasa. Almost 150 students study here. 10 teachers teach us in my madrasa. Specifically, our Shahjatul Rahman sir is an Islamic scholar and friendly person. He teaches us English language. Our principal sir is an international personality. He visited several countries.